And now I'm just parked up in this random car park. A friend of mine, she calls me Peugeot Pete. Okay, I've got Lexi, my 106 Quiksilver, so yeah, before Lexi I had the bus, the 807, which was really good for picking up a motorbike. Admittedly, I only ever picked up the one motorbike, but that's all I needed. Before that I had Len, the Problem 307 SW, and before Len I had a blue 306. Actually, that was my brother's, but I borrowed it for like 18 months, so it was kind of mine. Before that I had a white 306, that was a HDI. Before that a red 306, that was a 16 valve XS. Before that I had my phase 1 Diablo XSI 2 litre, that was a bit of a beast. And before that another phase 1, that was my silver phase 1 1.4. So no, I don't know what she means. Well, we're at a train station today, as you can see. You've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title. We're off to pick up another vehicle. Yeah. Is it a Peugeot? Oh, the accusations, the assumptions. Yeah. Yeah, it's a Peugeot. We had to change trains at Exeter and again a couple of hours later at Newport before heading through far more familiar territory. Hereford. Spent a lot of time here in the past. I have a lot of fond memories of this place and a lot of fond memories of Leominster as well. Spent a lot of time there in the past, most of which involved fixing cars, would you believe? And eventually we made it to our destination, where the seller said that he was going to pick me up. He told me he would be in the car park waiting for me in a dark green Mazda MX-5. I tell you, I was really looking forward to this leg of the journey. And there he is. Well, the seller picked me up. He was a very nice chap. Very nice of him to pick me up. Gorgeous motor that he picked me up in as well. Very nice. And now I'm just parked up in this random car park. And there he is. That's what I've gone and bought. It's been a while. It's been a few years since I had one of these. Yes, I've bought another 306. This is number 6 for me now, and what can I say? Yeah, just wanted one ever since Peugeot Festival, probably this time last month. I've wanted another one, and I'm so glad to have another one. Now all I guess I've got to do is make that journey home, have that shakedown, and get to know the car, see what it's about. Well, Well, he was right about the one touch. You got that fixed. Very nice. I forgot what these were like for their clutch cables. You need a strong left leg with these HDIs. Yeah, something about the cable, the clutch cable on these HDIs runs too close to the exhaust or something, and it dries them out. Or at least that's what I remember from when I had my last one. Yeah, this is going to take a bit of getting used to. I keep going for the electric window switches in the middle, and that's not where they are. Oh, I do love them though. It's so like my white one. Like, I've got to say this now, and this is no offence to the car or to the guy I bought the car from, but this car smells like a train, which is so funny because my last HDI smelled like a train. It pulls like a train as well. The deal is done. I'm gonna have fun driving this beast of a car home. I'm going to enjoy getting to know this car, and I'm going to enjoy continuing the work that the last owner was doing, and I'm hopefully going to pick up and do all these little niggly jobs that need doing. Oh, let's get it done.